Subscribe and like the channel. Content, measurement and experiment. We learn today measurement and experimentation. Firstly, definition of physics: the knowledge which made gain through observation and experiment when organized systematically is called science. Now, science is also called the branch. Physics is also called the science of measurement. Now, measurement is thus the comparison of unknown physical quantity with non-fixed unit quantity of the same nature. Means comparing unknown quantity with a non-fixed quantity. For example, taking a 1 kilo standard weight, and on another we can take anything like sugar. So by measuring a fixed quantity with a non-fixed quantity which we don't know how much it was, it may be 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg. Now, characteristics of unit. Unit chosen for measuring physical quantity, it should be of convenient size. Means it will be of minimum size, not maximum. It should be well defined. Means it should be modified or new. It should easily reproducible. Means it can be easily replaced. It should not change time and place. It does not affect, means it does not change with time and place. By changing a time or place, it not change. It should change with change in physical quantity. It should does not change with change in physical quantities or conditions. And the last is, it should be easily available and accessible. Means it will be easily available in anywhere. Now, fundamental and derived units. Fundamental units like length, mass, Kelvin, temperature, these are fundamental units which formed by their own, not depending upon the other quantities. Derived quantity are the quantity which are formed when they are when the one or two fundamental quantity mixed with each other, they form derived quantity. Old system CGS, centimeter gram second in Gaussian system. FPS, foot pound second in British engineering system. MKs, mass kilogram and meter kilogram and second is MKs. MKs is further used for measuring the temperature, as you can see here. MKSA system, ampere, fundamental quantity with current, electric current. The fundamental quantity of electric current is ampere. These are the what are SI units? SI units are, firstly, the meeting of SI unit is held at France. Weight and measure adopted international system of SI unit called SI units. SI system. Now, these are base quantities: time, length, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, and their units name. Further, we have two more fundamental quantity. They are plane angle and solid angle. SI unit of plane angle is radian, and the solid angle is SI unit. So solid angle is steradian. Derived unit. Derived units. Further, we had learned that derived units are the units which can be formed by two or more we can say two or more fundamental quantities. Like meter is a fundamental and quantity, and second also fundamental quantity. When they are merged together, they form meter per second, which is a SI unit for velocity. And there are some physical quantity like force, electric charge. This is about fundamental and derived units. Now, unit of length. The SI unit of length is meter. This is definition. These are large scales. One astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 to the power plus 11 meter. This is subunits. Unit of time is second. Unit of mass is kilogram. These are some units. 10 to the power 25 equal to iota. 10 to the power 2 equal to hectometer. These are some exercise